Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX. Today we are talking about Osmosis Recovery, or the Golden Elixir. So this product's been out probably for well over a year. I've had the formulator of Osmosis on my channel twice talking about this supplement, so I'll link those two videos below. But I'm licensed to speak about and treat the skin, so when it comes to supplements, I always make sure that I always let you guys know I'm not a nutritionalist. But over the year, I have gathered my patients, my clients' feedback, as well as doing my own education and studies on this elixir, and I'm really excited to make this video today for you because over the last year I have truly seen this supplement change the lives of my clients who suffered from facial fat pad loss, as well as any other fat pads that were affected during pregnancy. So again, I just wanted to make sure I thoroughly would be able to give you honest feedback, which is why this video is coming over a year after it came out. What I will say though before we start is Dr. Johnson is like one of my favorite formulators because he truly not only cares about topically treating the skin, but internally. You can talk to anybody in this industry and he is very well known for just really truly loving the supplements that he creates to optimize our health. So I knew this supplement was going to be absolutely incredible, and it really actually even blew my theories of how it was going to do out of the water. It has been really amazing. We have over 50 5-star reviews, and that doesn't even, that pales in comparison to how many of my clients actually used it. But not everybody writes a review, so I'll also link the product below so you can read the reviews, and those are people who actually took the product and have seen amazing results. So the first thing, because the bottle is really heavy, it's made out of glass, I first wanted to show you guys what this product looks like. So you will be ingesting this. For optimal oral health, you can even leave this in the mouth for 2 minutes before swallowing. Again, this is the Osmosis Recovery, or the Golden Elixir for Fat Pad Recovery, and it promotes a healthy gut, which ultimately means healthy, glowing skin. As you can see, it is an oily product, as well as it has an orange hue, and we will talk later regarding the ingredients on where this orange hue comes from. So before we go over ingredients, I want to tell you the two things that this supplement treats. First, it's a prebiotic, which helps regulate healthy gut flora, and it helps treat fat pad loss due to pregnancy. Quickly, I also want to go over things that it does not do, because I have seen, over the last year, people saying the only reason this product works is because it makes you gain a bunch of weight, and that is absolutely not true. So really quick, I want to show you guys what a 5-pound piece of fat looks like, which is here, a 1-pound blob of fat, which is here. And that is not going to happen under your eyes. That was never there. This only promotes what you naturally had prior to childbirth. So if you're somebody who is afraid that you're going to gain 5 pounds from this product, it just cannot happen. Additionally, to gain 1 pound, which again is this example here, to gain one of those, you have to have in excess of 3,500 calories per day on top of what you naturally need to survive. So if you're on a 2,000 calorie diet a day and it works for you, then on top of those 2,000 you need an additional 3,500. If you are taking this product for fat pad loss, the most calories you will get extra a day would be about 260 calories. So there is absolutely no way this can make you gain weight. I just wanted to put that to bed because I get that question a lot. Is it going to make me fat? Is it because it's all oil? Not true. That's not what it was created for. The ingredients, the omegas, the spectacular oils are actually what resurrect your old fat pads to be able to be what they were before childbirth. So it's so special, and it's really exciting. So let's go ahead and talk about Osmosis Recovery. Just mentioned, this product has 2 treatments. If you would like to take it for prebiotics, you'll take 1 dose a day. That will be in the morning. If you would like to take this product for fat pad loss, you'll take your 1 dose in the morning. So you're still going to get the prebiotic benefit, but then you're going to take an extra dose at night, which is where that fat pad resurrection is going to come from. These 2 doses have got to be separate. You can't take them both at the same time thinking you're getting it out of the way. They have to be separate. So 1 a.m., 1 p.m. if you're taking it for fat pad loss. So first, let's talk about taking it as a prebiotic 1 time a day. Prebiotics are compounds in food or supplements such as recovery that induce growth of natural healthy microorganisms in the gut and intestinal flora. Probiotics feed our healthy gut bacteria in our gastrointestinal tract. Research also suggests that it helps our metabolism and how we digest carbs, and it also helps our calcium levels. And that's going to come from the way our body processes not only calcium, but carbohydrates and sugars. Prebiotics also help people with gut issues, which ultimately leads to healthier, more vibrant, glowing skin. Now, for 2 times a day, which is for the fat pad loss, you are going to see a difference primarily in the fat pads under the eyes as well as the lips. I also have had clients say it has helped breast tissue due to pregnancy and breastfeeding. So if you're somebody who has hollows under the eyes, saggy breasts due to breastfeeding, or have seen thinning lips as you age, and this is post-pregnancy and lactation, then this is going to be a fantastic supplement to implement into your routine to actually help restore what you've lost without filler, without surgery, without implants, and you're doing this with 2 doses a day. So let's get into the important part. Why does this work? What ingredients are in this supplement? Because again, this is due to the ingredients restoring what you naturally have and waking up those dormant cells and fat pads, and they're doing it through the ingredients. The first very important ingredient, as well as how the product gets its orange hue, through sea buckthorn oil. The sea buckthorn oil is not only going to help regenerate fat pads, but it's also fantastic for making sure we don't form wrinkles. So it's a very anti-aging supplement that we can take internally that will express on the skin. Additionally, it helps to shield our skin naturally from UV radiation. It also helps burns. Sea buckthorn oil is also amazing for elastin. It's going to help to strengthen the elasticity of our skin because it speeds up cellular regeneration. So you're going to see that your skin is firmer, tighter, as well as smoother. Sea buckthorn oil is also 10 times more potent antioxidant wise than vitamin C. So this is an internal supplement you can take to help promote your antioxidant protection. Plus, it has huge benefits for its cancer fighting abilities. The buckthorn oil is also very high in omega-7. Omega-7 is extremely important for the overall health and hydration of our skin. It gives us that bouncy hydration, and it also not only does it restore it in our skin, but all throughout our body. It's great for anybody who's in menopause, post-menopause, who's suffering from vaginal dryness, because sea buckthorn oil and omega-7 is actually very naturally hydrating. It helps promote your natural hydration throughout the body, including that area. More importantly, omega-7 is so important for lowering inflammation throughout our body. As a holistic esthetician, and Osmosis being a holistic brand, we all know how important it is to reduce the inflammation in our bodies. Omega-7 is crucial for making sure that the inflammation in our bodies is basically sustainable, that it's not too high and it's not causing undue stress on our bodies and our organs. The next very important ingredient in Osmosis Recovery that not only benefits prebiotics, but as well as promotes the regeneration of our fat pads, is macadamia oil. Again, macadamia oil is known to be anti-inflammatory, but it's also extremely high in omega-3. Omega-3 needs to be supplemented, and omega-3 is very important to the overall health of our body. And just like I've mentioned prior, this supplement does not make you gain weight. In fact, omega-3 is very important for anybody who wants to lose weight. Omega-3 is an important energy source for all of our cells in our circulatory and our immune system. It provides high amounts of antioxidant and hydrating squalane. Lastly, in recovery, which benefits our overall health, it's very high in omega-9, which is a great omega for keeping your healthy cholesterol where it needs to be and lowering our unhealthy cholesterol levels. So a lot of people actually, after they get their labs back, notice, oh, this actually helped my cholesterol, and it's one of those benefits that you don't even know you were going to actually benefit from. But I do like to mention that because so many people reach out and they're like, oh my gosh, this is so weird. Do you think it's from recovery? And I'm like, yep, absolutely. It's due to the omega-9. It will help to lower bad cholesterol while helping maintain and support healthy cholesterol levels. Because of the nutraceuticals found in this Osmosis Recovery supplement, it not only helps to restore not only healthy gut flora, gastrointestinal balance, it helps to lower our internal inflammation that long term, I mean, the benefits are endless, but it also helps to reactivate our fat pads that lay dormant after pregnancy and breastfeeding. So again, this will only help you if you take it twice a day. At least 7 bottles is needed, but that means no surgery, no filler. And it's not doing it because you're going to gain weight. You should not gain weight. This is doing it solely because of those nutraceuticals in the omegas and in the sea buckthorn oil are able to reactivate your own body. This supplement's going to be able to help you on multitude of levels. I know we talk about it due to it being a prebiotic as well as helping with fat pads, but its ability to truly help people that actually have chronic issues due to the gut and intestinal system. I've seen a lot of my clients be able to use this and they have amazing results. I knew it was time for this video because after a year and a lot of my clients have actually gone through the entire protocol, the changes are undeniable as well as the reviews from them. So I hope this video was very helpful, that it's due to the nutraceuticals in the product. It's not going to make you gain weight, and it is going to be imperative for people who do not want to do filler or surgery, but would like to regain fat pad loss after pregnancy, as well as have a healthy prebiotic in their diet. So thank you guys so much. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll make sure to link Dr. Ben Johnson's videos with me on this supplement as well below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.